Welcome, boys and girls, to my first Boxy Charm unboxing. I am super excited, and as you can see, I'm ready to go. This box won't even stay closed because it's so packed. This is my first Boxy Charm ever. One of the reasons why I chose Boxy Charm is because it is known for having full-size products, unlike all the other monthly subscription beauty boxes. And I'll tell you right now, it is so worth it. Let's just go ahead and jump right in. Stop with all the chit chat. This month is Caribbean Queen theme. This thing comes with it and kind of gives you just like a breakdown of the products inside, some information which I love. So let's jump right in, shall we? Oh, hello, Charmer. So as soon as you open the box, you're gonna see their hashtag Boxy Charm with which is their social media handle. So this box is pretty full. I'm gonna go ahead and just start emptying all of it out, and we'll just go one by one with all of the products. So excited. Alright, I kind of want to do this first, but I think I'm going to save that for last. This is, to be honest, I don't even know how to pronounce this. I don't know if it's French. Is it just Jante Bleu? Jante Bleu? I don't know. But you see it. You see the website right there. I don't know. Never heard of this brand, but hey, I'm willing to try. This is the waterproof eyeliner pencil. It's supposed to be 100% vegan, and this is in the color charcoal. Let's move on. I think this is a gorgeous color. This is in the color Verona. Verona. I have such a hard time pronouncing half the names of all these brands or what they're calling certain colors. So please don't hate me for it. I'm sorry. I've never tried any of the Ofra products, but apparently from what I hear, they are very good. I have yet to test it out. I will be doing so very soon. But this is the long-lasting liquid lipstick. And it's supposed to be like a all-in-one step type of full lip color. You don't have to wear any lip liner with it because apparently this won't feather over the lips like some or most liquid lipsticks do. And it's supposed to be creamy and super soft in texture. It's also supposed to moisturize the lips. Let's take a look. The texture looks nice. It looks thick and creamy. We're gonna have to test that one out. All right. Whoa. All right. So, moving on. We have the Luxie 3-piece Flawless Complexion brush set, and these look gorgeous. I mean, the bristles feel so soft. It's supposed to be a foundation brush, a dual fiber powder brush, as well as a highlighting brush. So these are the brushes, and they all say what they are, which I love that too, because, you know, sometimes, especially for beginners, you forget what specific brushes are for. You know, as a beginner, and I used to start buying brushes, I'm like, I have all these brushes laid out, and I'm like, okay, which is for what? Do I use this for foundation? Do I do this for highlight? I mean, what is this one for? You know, and so this is awesome that it comes with the purpose of what each brush is for on the brush handle. And just look at the bristles, people. I mean, can you see this? It's not too dense. I don't know. They feel really, really nice. Like, it's gonna feel great on the skin, I feel like. It's gonna be great. Okay, so again, haven't tested any of these out. I am super excited. So we will see what happens with that. Moving on. Now this is the only product that came in the box that wasn't full size. I'm not sure why. I'm assuming because it won't fit in the box. I don't know. But this is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And I heard of this before. I've never used it. I've seen it on social media. So it's supposed to be fast absorbing, and it's supposed to also give you a perfect Brazilian glow. And it's supposed to make your skin smooth and look tight. I don't know, because again, I have not used it, but the texture, I mean, the texture looks really nice and smooth. And looks like you get quite a lot of product in this little thing. And oh my god, if you smell this, it smells amazing. Like, not for nothing, but I think, oh man, I think, yeah, it's really soft. Super soft. I love the smell. This smells so good. I mean, I wish you can smell it from here. So yeah, it's fast absorbing body cream, helps tighten and smooth like no other. Love it, flaunt it, you've got it. Felt feels nice and smooth and like velvety. Almost like a body butter, but not too thick. It kind of just melts into your skin. And it smells so good, I can't even. Oh. Okay, moving on. This is last. This is next. This is the Baddington lashes. These are the Monroe Silk lashes. They're supposed to be 3D, multi-layered, and they're 100% silk. Look at these babies. Oh my goodness. I'm so in love. Look at that. I cannot wait to use these. And they just feel so silky. So definitely in my next video. Last but definitely not least is the Alamar Cosmetics palette. It contains 8 opaque shades, and it's supposed to be reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Let's take a look at this baby. Oh. Wow! Oh my goodness. I mean, first of all, the packaging is so gorgeous. And just look at these colors. I mean, I can't even take it. Gorgeous, really. And it's what's really cool about this palette is that if you notice, the sun icons, and then the water droplet icons by each of the names. You can use the color wet, and so I can only imagine how that, look at that color, look at that color. The colors are just, I can't even, I don't even know what to say. I'm almost speechless, and I'm never speechless, but these colors are just gorgeous, and I think it's so cool. So these colors at the bottom have the sun, so these colors you would use dry. These colors with the water droplets, you can use wet, so you can put them on wet. So I can only imagine, because these are like the, oh, look at that shine. These look at that, oh my goodness. So these are the ones you can use wet, these are the ones you can use dry, and I am just super excited about playing with this palette, and I'm just so excited. So excited. I honestly am obsessed. I can't even tell you how many times I've just opened this and just stared at it, and I want to put my fingers in it so bad and test them out, but I really wanted to just kind of show you everything out the box, brand new, and we'll see how all the colors turn out. So that is it, guys. That is everything that came in my Boxy Charm for the month of June. If you like this video as much as I enjoyed making it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And as always, don't forget to ring that bell for more videos with your girl, LoLo Savage. Mwah.